switching out the seat and the rack, get some storage going for the old impending camping trip here. Oh, you might have to take that little swing on for this. There you go.
Yeah, I'll probably do like little 2 more coming down like this, and then.
Right. So I guess the sick thing too is if you like connected these up, then you'd have a little like, you have a little hole in there where you could stuff some shit too.
A little cubby.
In the center, that's kind of nice look too.
If it needs stuff.
Look at that fold, dude.
And actually, that's smooth.
Designed it all to fold.
Smooth
So.
like eggs. I was thinking it would just basically pick a measurement. We would weld it to the flat bar at that measurement.
Yeah, and then we would screw the flat bar.
And then we would screw the flat bar there. But now you got me thinking, it doesn't need to go all the way. It could just be tabs.
Yeah.
Ah. Then if it was obviously held in back there, then if there was something here,
Yeah.
you know.
Saying just a little wraparound bar.
Nice, dude.
I could clean my records with this.
Yeah.
You could. So cut the bottom off, make tabs that bend out at 90s, and then just rivet it to the frame and this battery box.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it up tremendously. Well,
Oh, just a little short, eh?
ta-da!
Damn, dude.
Here now, Bendy Boys. We are the Bendy Boys. One side's really shallow kind of thing. I think I'm just gonna have to do it again.
So look at that. The orange is gone.
No more orange. No orange in my bag.
It's for Orangita only.
Only blue and black. Just kind of run it somewhere over here with some flat bar on it, and then I can screw the flat bar to the milk crate.
You'd have to be like,
Yeah, look at that.
okay.
I knew it could happen.
And look at that. Nubs.
And then you just push it.
Underneath the nubs.
Yeah.
Slips right in.
Slips right in.
Oofta. Here it is, dude. It's another CT90 we got here. Look at that, dude. Ready to ride for hours now.
Straps and or bolts on, but
Sure.
yeah, now the only
Custom
thing I have left to
crate.
do is I just gotta mirror this on this side. So like it could just be this as well.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And dude, these little A-frame bars in the back there have prevented almost all rattle.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Once it's
Strap
all
this shit down.
right.
Some of T-Pon's custom leather here. Turned out to be a pretty badass day.